Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and I welcome you all to my most favorite video ever, because what I'm showing in this video is my super favorite, and they are called essential oils. Essential oils are volatile oils that contain the essence of plants' fragrance, and they are generally extracted from the different parts of plants by the method of steam distillation, and they are used in aromatherapy, which heals various kinds of mental and physical problems. I have been into aromatherapy for some time now and I'm so damn impressed that I cannot stop loving them, and that's why I keep on buying them from various different kinds of brands that offer and deliver the best and purest form of essential oils. You can use essential oil for various purposes: for skincare, hair care, for any kind of mental issues, for any kind of physical injuries and skin burn. But I must tell you, essential oils are very concentrated. You must always dilute them before applying them to your skin. You can dilute them in your cosmetics, you can dilute them with water and use them in oil diffusers. What I like to do with essential oils is that I put a couple of drops of essential oils on the corner of my pillow, and so that it can work while I'm sleeping. So I have with me 8 different kinds of essential oils from various brands. I'm going to talk about them one by one and tell you what their benefits are. The first 2 essential oils that I want to talk about are from the brand called Clay Essentials. This one is peppermint oil and this one is sweet orange oil. I'm going to talk about sweet orange oil first. The product arrived in this cardboard packaging, and let me open this and show you guys. That's how the bottle is placed. It comes with a dropper. This oil has a really sweet and woody fragrance. This is a 10 ml glass bottle and it's priced for rupees 345. I ordered this from Sublime Life. The benefits of this oil are: it clarifies the skin from pollution, it is great for its anti-aging properties, and it also uplifts the mood and emotional level, and I really like it. The second one is this peppermint oil. The packaging remains the same. This is also a 10 ml bottle which is priced for rupees 345. Peppermint oil has a really sharp and minty fragrance. It is great to cure acne and remove blemishes. It is great to relieve periods cramp. It improves mental focus, and also it's great for overheated skin. Next 2 essential oils are from the brand called Mitti Se, which has been my recent favorite, and this is their Lang Lang oil and this is their basil essential oil. Both came in this cardboard packaging. I'm going to talk about the Lang Lang oil first. Lang Lang is a very beautiful flower plant, and this Lang Lang essential oil is great to reduce anger, stress and relax nerves. It brings confidence and spiritual awareness, and it also gives a positive emotional attitude. Next one is this basil essential oil from the same brand Mitti Se. Basil oil is great to reduce headache problems. It relieves mental fatigue. It eases the digestive difficulties also. Basil oil is great to improve mental focus and mental clarity and makes the mind really sharp. Both the Lang Lang oil and basil essential oil, they are 10 ml packaging and priced for rupees 310 rupees each. I ordered this from the online store of Mitti Se. The next oil is French tea tree oil from another great brand called Veda Earth. This is a 15 ml packaging. Now, tea tree essential oil works great against acne or skin diseases, works great against skin fungal infections. It uplifts the mood and improves mental focus and clarity, and it also improves immunity. This 15 ml glass bottle is priced for rupees 395. And I ordered this from the official site of Veda Earth. Next set of essential oils are my most favorite, because they came in this beautiful jute bag and in this beautiful cardboard gift box. This gift box from Sat Natural is called Essential Trio. It has 3 different kinds of essential oils in it with the volume 5 ml each. Now this gift box has a slight advantage over the other bottles of essential oils that I just showed you guys. With this 500 rupees product, you get to try 3 different essential oils, and that's a great deal. This one is rosemary essential oil from the brand Sat Natural. It's a 5 ml packaging, and rosemary essential oil is great for hair growth. It makes the root of the hair stronger. If you mix it with some carrier oil and apply it to your body, it improves the blood circulation as well. Next is this eucalyptus oil. Eucalyptus oil works great against cold and cough. It eases the breathing, it heals wounds and reduces muscle pain. The last one is this lavender essential oil. It works great against depression and anxiety. It promotes sleep, helps hair to grow. So that was all about my essential oil collection. If you guys happen to try them, please make sure that you do not directly apply them to your skin. Always dilute them first. And also, before buying any kind of essential oil, make sure that you know the benefits of that essential oil, so that you know what you're buying and what you're going into, because every essential oil has its own particular benefits. Even then, if you guys have any query regarding essential oils, please write in the comment section. And if you happen to try them and want to share your experience, please write in the comment section, and stay tuned for more fun videos.